Here I have HUAWEI Nova Y70, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the photo mode, and here all you need to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So as you can see right now I took like 30 shots with this burst shots feature. By tapping on this icon here in gallery you can review all these shots, and yeah, it's like here you can select the one that fits you best, save it and delete other shots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.